Hi, this is Daryl with Alberta Laundry Systems. We find on the TD 30, 50, and 75 dryers that we sometimes have a E-14 error. And what that error means is that the dryer has tried to light and has not. And it's quite often caused by the lint buildup in the burner. On these dryers, if there's an excessive amount of lint, what will happen is that it will go to the end of the burner, right at the front end of the tube, and it will plug up the holes. And as a result, the gas is not coming out, so the electrode can ignite it. So what we're going to show you today is how to remove the burner and clean it to eliminate the E-14 error. Here we're showing the cut down end wrench to remove the nut in the that's holding the gas manifold to the burner. You can see the nut right there. And again, it's 22 millimeter or 7/8 inch. And you just loosen it, and then you can loosen it by hand. Then what you can do is pull the gas manifold forward after disconnecting the wires. And you can either move the manifold down or up and just support it on either the base, or kind of show how we use it here, where we can kind of hold it up where we're push the roof of the dryer up, and we can hold it up there. Then you remove the air blocking plate and the screws that are holding the burner, and you can just pull it out and remove it. Here you can see where we're pulling the burner forward, and that's what we need to remove it. What we're also going to do is remove the cover plate that has the electrode and the sensor in it, and that aids in putting the burner back in after it's cleaned. Then when you have the burner removed, you'll be able to see at the end you've got lint, and then you can use either an air compressor, or if air isn't available, take it over to a sink and get water in it and flush it around a few times. While you have it apart, it's also good to use some emery cloth to clean the residue that's on the sensor and the electrode. How the unit works is it's looking for a current, a small millivolt current from the sensor, and that current goes back to the ignition control and proves that there's a flame there. If we're not getting a good millivolt current, i.e. it's either coated with ash or carbon, or it's not lighting, then we won't get the millivolt current, and then you'll get your E-14 error. The hardest of all of these to do with this job is getting that probe back into the hole, and that can sometimes be difficult. Just be patient, and it'll get back in there. Then it's just reassembly, just doing in reverse what you did to take it apart. Hope you enjoy this video from Alberta Laundry Systems. Like I said, don't hesitate to email us if you've got any questions about these dryers. Thank you very much. I want to thank Al Sheikh Noor, one of our service technicians, to show us how to do this job. I just want to comment that Noor is probably the best winter driver to ever come from Sudan. Thank you very much.